Attorney, kasal ko sa una pero dugay naming buwag karon na ako'y bagong uyab ug Muslim siya. Kung mag-convert kog Islam, makihara bagyapon ko? Well, naa actually kaso no nga naabot sa Supreme Court about aning pag-convert sa Islam aron makaminyo balik. So niingon ng Supreme Court sa case ni Malaki versus People of the Philippines na a party to a civil marriage who converts to Islam and contracts another marriage is guilty of bigamy, okay? And likewise, guilty is all the spouse of the second marriage. So take note, the crime of bigamy penalizes both the parties to the subsequent marriage, ang lalaki ug ang babae, okay? So again, ako balikon, makonsider bigamy or bigamos ang marriage if ang first marriage is existing pa and then ni-contract another marriage, okay? Without having the first marriage declared null and void or have it annulled, okay? So, ang ingon sa Korte Suprema nga, conversion to Islam does not exculpate the parties from criminal liability. Maong na-held criminally liable both ang lalaki o ang babae sa second marriage, okay? So, I hope that's clear and that's it for Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.